It is 2026. If you graduated recently here in East Africa and you are still submitting standard PDF resumes to corporate job boards, you are fighting a losing battle. The reality of the job market right now across Tanzania, Kenya, and Uganda is brutal. Traditional entry-level roles are shrinking, corporate hiring cycles are moving at a snail's pace, and a university degree is no longer a golden ticket to a paycheck. But here is the good news. While traditional corporate jobs are tightening, the digital economy across East Africa is absolutely exploding. International companies and fast-growing regional startups are desperate for specific, practical digital talents, and they don't care about your degree. They care about what you can execute. Welcome back to Career Shul, your unfair advantage in the job market. Today, I am giving you the exact 3 high-demand digital skills you can learn from your laptop right now to break out of unemployment this year. Let's get into it. The first skill is specialized search and optimization strategy, commonly known as SEO. Every single business in East Africa, from e-commerce brands in Nairobi to digital services and media creators right here in Dar es Salaam, is fighting for the exact same thing: attention. If a business cannot be found on Google, or if a content creator's videos aren't ranking on YouTube, that business dies. This is where you step in. If you learn how to handle digital discovery, keyword analysis, and platform optimization, you become an immediate revenue driver for brands. You can package this skill to optimize websites, audit YouTube channels, or manage search visibility for corporate brands. It is a borderless skill that allows you to consult locally or land remote international clients right from your bedroom. The second high-demand skill for 2026 is technical workflow automation and AI orchestration. Let's face a hard truth. Companies are no longer hiring fresh graduates just to do manual data entry or basic admin work. AI tools can handle that in seconds. The employees who are getting hired right now are the ones who know how to manage these AI systems and automate corporate workflows. When a modern company interviews you, they want to know how you leverage technical workflows to cut down operational costs. You need to learn how to connect business platforms using automation tools, manage digital databases, and orchestrate generative AI platforms to speed up company output. If you can walk into a local enterprise or a digital agency and show them how to automate their client onboarding, streamline their data collection, or build automated customer communication funnels, you aren't an expense anymore. You are an efficiency expert. This is a massive skill gap in East Africa right now. The third skill is high-retention digital asset creation and scriptwriting. We are living in the era of short-form and long-form video. Brands and digital platforms are pouring millions into video production. But a beautiful video is useless if the script is boring and viewers click away after 5 seconds. High-retention content architecture is the art of keeping human eyes glued to a screen. This involves understanding audience psychology, writing high-engagement hooks, and utilizing AI-driven tools to generate high-quality visual assets efficiently. If you know how to write scripts that hold attention, you can command high retainers from global brands. You become the engine behind their digital marketing. Unemployment in 2026 is not a reflection of your intelligence. It is a reflection of using an outdated playbook. The market doesn't reward the degree you hold, it rewards the digital problems you can solve. Pick one of these 3 skills, dedicate the next 90 days to mastering it, and build projects that prove your competence. To help you kickstart this journey, I have put together a 2026 digital upskilling roadmap specifically for our Career Shul community. It includes a curated list of free, high-quality certification links, the exact software tools you need to practice with, and a guide on how to pitch these services to local businesses. If you want a free copy of this upskilling roadmap, just drop a comment down below right now saying skills and tell me which of these 3 tracks excites you the most. I will personally reply to your comment with the direct download link. If this video gave you a clearer path to taking control of your career today, hit that like button and subscribe to Career Shul to make sure you stay ahead of the curve. Stop waiting for a job description, build a skill, class dismissed. I'll see you in the next video.